Hello everyone. This is horizontal directional drilling HDD. It is method of installing underground pipeline cable conduit where it is not possible to excavate the road due to heavy traffic or much utilities. Go through plan and section details for each dimension and distance from the top of the asphalt. Make sure the diameter of pipe and its capacity. It should match exactly the specification and standard. This is connection detail. You have to go through complete connection detail for pipe connecting HDPE pipe. At it is connecting by hydraulic machine and applying the pressure. It is 200 mm dia pipe, HDPE pipe. Okay, this is drilling machine where we will use for drilling. We are going to start from start point. This is in between, mid span is there after 5 meter from the starting point. It is called cable trench through tracker point, monitoring point you can consider. This is drilling machine. We are going to start now. Prior to drilling, you should check all the third party certification and TUV certification and signages for purpose and use. This is how it works. Drilling machine, it will insert the pipe after coring little bit. How much dia he coring finish, he will insert the pipe and it will start working. As you can see, it is inserting. What I was asking you for the third party certification and signages for the drilling machine to avoid any mishap at site. See, it is coming from throughout the cable road length. It is passed through complete. Drilling has been completed. Now we will remove the drill bit and attach the reamer bit little bit bigger dia to increase the borehole diameter. Once borehole diameter will increase, we have to attach the tire or any rubber material for cleaning purpose. During HDPE pipe pulling, you will face problem if any sharp edges inside or any debris are available. So it is better to clean it prior to pull the HDPE pipe. Now we are going to start the cleaning process. With this reamer is there, we will take it back to machine. Back reamer with tire to clean the debris and excess material inside after reaming back. As you can see, it is going back. During this process, you will face so many troubles due to breakdown of pipe, due to debris inside. Once you finish the cleaning, you can pull the cable pipe, HDPE pipe conduit. You can see this is trench point. monitoring trench. This is monitoring trench. Once you start from the drilling machine, you can check whether it is going in right direction or wrong direction. Now it is pulling back to HDPE pipe, 200 mm dia. In future they will pull the cable inside this HDPE pipe. This is HDPE pipe, 200 mm dia for power cable and 110 dia for fiber optic cable. As one trench have one circuit have one, this is end cap. You have to install end cap at the end once you finish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.